The stock market crash of 1929 marked the beginning of the worst economic crisis in American history. Millions of people lost their jobs, thousands lost their homes. During the next several years, a large part of the richest nation on earth learned what it meant to be poor. Hard times found their way into every area, group and job. Workers struggled as factories closed, farmers hit with the falling price and natural disaster were forced to give up their farms. Businessmen lost their stores and sometimes their homes. It was a severe economic crisis, a depression. Nobel Prize winner John Steinbeck, one of America's greatest writers, described the depression this way. It was a terrible, troubled time. I can't think of any 10 years in history when so much happened in so many directions. Violent change took place. Our country was shaped. Our life changed. Our government rebuilt, said John Steinbeck. When the stock market fell, factories, mines, and steel were closed, and then no one could buy anything, not even food.